Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you call someone without showing your phone number. So it is very easy. If you want to call anyone without showing your phone number, just go to your phone app, click the top right three dot icon, click on settings. After clicking that, just click on calling accounts. Now click on advanced settings, scroll. Now here you can see caller ID option. Just click on this option and turn it on. After turning it on, you will be able to hide your contact for outgoing calls. But if this option isn't working in your device or this feature isn't available in your device, you can just install some apps from Play Store. So just go to Play Store and search for number hide calling apps. After searching it, you will find so many apps that you can use to hide your number, just like this one, hide contact. By this kind of app, you can just hide your number. Just install this app, and after following some steps, you will be able to hide your contact. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.